In the previous video, we have discussed about case 1. Now, in this video, let us discuss case 2. So, before watching the further video, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Let us discuss case 2 now. Case 2 here, what is given? If q of x equals to sin bx or cos bx. What is q of x here? Q of x equals to sin bx or cos bx. Then yp equals to 1 by f of d into sin x or cos x. Then substitute, what we have to substitute here? D square equals to minus b square. What we have to substitute here? D square equals to minus b square. If particular integral is 1 by f of d into sin bx or cos bx, then what we have to substitute? D square equals to minus b square. Next, if f of minus b square equals to 0, listen here. If f of minus b square equals to 0, that is if yp equals to 1 by d square plus b square into cos bx, then yp equals to x by 2b into sin bx. If yp equals to 1 by d square plus b square into cos x, then what is yp here? Yp equals to x by 2b into sin bx. Similarly, if yp equals to 1 by d square plus b square into sin bx, then what is yp here? Yp equals to minus x by 2b into cos bx. What is yp here? Minus x by 2b into cos bx. Next, if f of minus b square not equals to 0, in the case if f of minus b square not equals to 0, then what is yp? Then what will be the yp here? Yp equals to 1 by f of d into sin bx, which is equals to 1 by pi of d square into sin bx. Similarly, yp equals to 1 by f of d into cos bx equals to 1 by pi of d square into cos bx. Since here in the place of d square, what we have to substitute? Minus b square. So this is about the case 2. Now let us discuss few examples based on case 2. So what is given here? Let us discuss. Solve y double dash minus y equals to cos x. So what is given? Y double dash minus y equals to cos x. Now this can be written as d square minus 1 into y equals to cos x. So that implies here d square minus 1 equals to cos x. Now this should be written in the form of auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is f of m equals to d is replaced by m. So m square minus 1 equals to 0. That implies here m equals to plus or minus 1. So therefore, what is the complementary function here? Yc equals to complementary function yc equals to c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power plus x. So this is the complementary function. Now particular integral yp equals to 1 by, so this can be written as 1 by how much here? M square minus 1. So particular integral yp equals to, this can be written as 1 by, according to case 2, 1 by d square minus 1 into cos x. So yp equals to 1 by d square minus 1 into cos x according to case 2. So now yp equals to 1 by, now according to case 2, this d square, since here according to case 2, d square equals to minus b square. Minus b square means here m equals to plus or minus 1. Here b square equals to minus 1. Since according to case 2 here d square equals to minus b square. So what is minus b square here? Minus 1. Now in the place of d square, what we have to substitute here? Minus 1. So 1 by minus 1. Next minus 1 into cos x as it is. So which is equals to 1 by minus 1 minus 1. How much? Minus 2 into cos x. Therefore, yp equals to, what is yp here? Minus 1 by 2 into cos x. So this is particular integral. So therefore, general solution y equals to yc plus complementary function plus particular integral. So that implies here y equals to, what is yc? What is complementary function here? c1 into e power minus x plus c2 into e power x plus place of minus 1 by 2 into cos x. So which is equals to c1 e power minus x, c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power x plus c2 minus how much? Minus 1 by 2 into cos x. Therefore, what is the general solution? Y equals to, therefore y equals to c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power x minus 1 by 2 into cos x. This is the solution. Now let us discuss one more sum. So what is given here? Solve d power 4 minus 1 into y, which is equals to sin x. So what is given? D power 4 minus 1 into y, which is equals to sin x. Now this can be written in the form of, this can be written as auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation f of n equals to d power 4 can be written as m power 4 minus 1, which is equals to 0. This is in the form of a square minus b square. So it can be written as m square whole square minus 1, which is equals to 0. So that implies here. Now it can be written as m square plus 1 into m square minus 1. Since I'll write the formula here, a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Just we are taking this equation in the form of this formula. That implies m square equals to how much here? Minus 1, comma m square equals to plus 1. So this can be written as m equals to plus or minus I, comma m equals to plus or minus 1. So here roots are in the form of imaginary and real. So what is the complementary function here? Here one is imaginary number and one is real number. So complementary function is yc equals to c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power x plus c3 cos x plus c4 sin x. This is the complementary function. So here roots are in the form of imaginary and real. So what is the complementary function here? If roots are imaginary and real means c1 yc equals to c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power x plus c3 cos x plus c4 sin x, because here there are 4 roots here. Next, particular integral. Now we have to take the particular integral. Particular integral yp equals to 1 by d power according to case 2 yp. What is the particular integral? Yp equals to 1 by d power 4 minus 1 into sin x, which is equals to 1 by, so d power 4 minus 1 can be written as d square plus 1 according to this, d square plus 1 into d square minus 1 into sin x as it is. So here 1 by minus 1, d square means minus 1 plus 1 as it is into d square again minus 1, next as it is minus 1 into what is there here? Into sin x. So which is equals to 1 by, now here we are excluding this minus 1 plus 1. So what is remaining here? 1 by minus 1 minus 1. How much minus 1 minus 1? Minus 2. So 1 by minus 2 into what is remaining here? Sin x, which is equals to minus 1 by 2 into sin x. Now since here according to case 2 yp equals to 1 by d square plus b square into sin bx, then yp equals to, what is the formula here? Yp equals to minus x by 2b into cos bx. So here if f of minus b square equals to 0, here if f of minus b square equals to 0 means we can apply this formula. So here according to case 2 what I have discussed here, yp equals to 1 by d square plus b square into sin bx, then yp equals to minus x. What is the formula? Then yp equals to minus x by 2b into cos bx. If when we are taking this, if f of minus b square equals to 0, see here minus 1 plus 1, how was 0 into minus 1 minus 1 2, 0 into anything will be 0 only. This is in the form of f of minus b square equals to 0. So if here f of minus b square equals to 0 means then only we have to apply this formula according to case 2. So now here yp equals to how much here? Minus 1 by 2 into. So according to case 2, what is the formula here? How much yp equals to? Minus x by 2b into cos x. So here minus x by 2 into b means here, since b equals to how much? 1. How much here? B equals to 1. 2 into 1 into, what is there here? Cos 1 into x, which is equals to how much here? Minus 1 by 2 into minus x by 2 into cos x. Therefore, yp equals to how much? Minus into minus plus. X by 2 2s are 4. X by 4 cos x. So this is the particular integral. How much particular integral? Yp equals to x by 4 into cos x. Therefore, general solution y equals to how much? Yc plus yp. So what is the particular integral here? That implies here y equals to, what is the complementary function? c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power x plus c3 cos x plus c4 sin x plus, what is the particular integral? X by 4 into cos x. This is the solution. By this we have completed case 2.